First, you need to go to Clever on the district's homepage and click on Clever. From there, you will go to Schoology. When Schoology opens, it will give you all of your classes that are in your course load. Click on Math, and your course will look like this. The first thing you should do every day in class is go into the daily discussion, and the date will be there, and you will click on today's date and answer the question. Then go into the unit listed. We start with the first module. Go into the first module and start with the video. The video has your notes that are in your MPJ. As you watch the video, complete your notes. Then go into the practice assignment and then take your exit ticket. As you complete your work, you will be given green check marks along the way for the work that is finished.